Welcome to Auto Drive Hub, the channel where we bring you the latest updates, reviews and detailed insights on new cars from all over the world. Today we are taking a closer look at the 2025 Mehran Suzuki, a compact car that has returned with a fresh design, modern features and improved efficiency aimed at budget-conscious drivers. The 2025 Mehran Suzuki stays true to its identity of being a small, practical and affordable car that is easy to maintain and suitable for urban environments. The exterior of the new Mehran Suzuki gets subtle design changes with a more streamlined body, improved headlights and an upgraded front grille, while still keeping the classic compact shape that made it popular among Pakistani drivers. The overall design reflects a more modern and appealing appearance with slightly enhanced aerodynamics. The updated tail lights and clean bumper design complete the refreshed look. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Mehran Suzuki is now better equipped with improved fabric seats, a redesigned dashboard and a more user-friendly layout. The air conditioning system has been enhanced for better cooling, while basic infotainment features like a USB input and radio with Bluetooth compatibility have been added. The instrument cluster is also updated with a digital speedometer for a more modern feel. Under the hood, the 2025 Mehran Suzuki comes with an improved 800 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder petrol engine which is tuned for better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. This engine is paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission offering reliable performance in city traffic. The car is known for delivering over 20 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles in its class. In terms of safety, the new Mehran Suzuki now includes essential upgrades like front seatbelts, child lock system and reinforced side impact beams. Although it remains a basic model, the enhancements make it slightly more secure than its previous versions. With compact dimensions, light steering and a tight turning radius, this car is still an ideal choice for narrow roads and tight parking spaces. With its low running cost, easy maintenance and improved features, the 2025 Mehran Suzuki is designed for first-time buyers, students or anyone seeking a reliable and economical daily driver. It carries forward the legacy of being Pakistan's favorite entry-level car with new features that add value without raising the price too much. Subscribe to Auto Drive Hub and stay tuned for more reviews, updates and expert insights on the latest vehicles around the globe.